One of the first things we did when we started our renovation was changing our power connection to run underground. All we had to do was provide a new meter base and schedule an electrical inspection for the same day the power company would come out and change the wires over. In our case, the utility company sends out their own contractors, and they use a directional drill to run a few conduits under our existing driveway. The guys were only there for about half a day, and they were very clean and professional. Another option would have been to have run the power to a temporary pole, but we didn't like that option as much. It would have had a lot more challenges connecting to our existing power panel and keeping things running in the house. In our case, I managed to mount the power meter base to some temporary blocking that would match the final location once the wall was built out with our new exterior insulation system. We did have to unfortunately cover our bedroom window to pass inspection, but once the work started on the house, the window was uncovered so it could be removed during the demolition. And there was another reason that I mounted the power meter base to a sheet of plywood. Part of the renovation called for removing several layers of old siding and insulation, and my plan was to build an A-frame style triangle to support it off the house. And this is what I came up with. Don't worry, that triangle weighs at least 1,000 pounds. Clearance worked out really well, and the crew were able to pull back all the vinyl siding and rigid insulation as well as the original asbestos siding. Fast forward a few months. First, some pressure treated 2x8s were leg screwed into the existing 2x4 framing of the house. And next I had to slide a section of high performance vapor open building wrap behind the assembly. Then the plywood sheathing holding the power meter base could be attached. And with that, everything was in place so that I could finally remove the triangle that had been supporting the power meter base. A little bit more cleanup, some J trim, and we should be ready for siding.